Chapter 4, Sharks. Although dolphins and sharks share the same ocean home, they are very different. Sharks have been around much longer than dolphins. They came from the first fish, which lived over 500 million years ago. These fish had no jaws or teeth. Over the years, their bodies changed to look like the sharks we know today. There are more than 350 different species of sharks. Sharks are cold-blooded. That means their body temperature changes with the outside temperature. Most live in warmer oceans, but some live in rivers, lakes, and even cold Arctic seas. Some sharks lay eggs. Others give birth to live young. Some, like the pygmy shark, are small enough to fit in your hand. Pygmy shark. Whale shark. Others, like basking and whale sharks, are among the largest animals in the ocean and can be more than 50 feet long. All sharks, however, have important things in common. Cartilage. Sharks are not mammals. They are a special kind of fish. They belong to a group of marine animals called chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes. Oh, I'm sorry. I was really bad pronouncing this one. Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes. Sharks don't have a skeleton made out of bone like most fish. Instead, they all have strong rubber-like skeletons made out of cartilage. Cartilage. The sides of your nose and ears are made out of cartilage. Cartilage feels like bone, but it's not as hard. Because cartilage is more flexible, sharks can turn quickly in the water. Cartilage is also lighter than bone. This makes it easier for sharks to swim. Teeth. Sharks have a lot of teeth. Many have 5 rows of teeth at a time. It's a good thing they have so many teeth because they're always losing them. Adult sharks go through thousands of teeth in their lifetime. When one falls out, a back tooth moves forward to replace it. Most sharks don't chew their food. They bite off chunks and swallow it whole. Sharks' teeth come in all sizes and shapes. Some are jagged and shaped like triangles. Others are narrow and sharp. Scientists can often tell what species a shark is by its teeth. Short-fin mako shark tooth, great hammerhead shark tooth, tiger shark tooth. In some countries, shark skin is used as sandpaper. Shark skin. Sharks have very rough skin that protects them from injury. It's covered in tiny ridges that are actually tiny teeth. A shark's skin can cause wounds if it brushes against a human or another fish. Swimming. Sharks are powerful swimmers. They usually swim about 1.5 to 3 miles an hour, but they can swim very fast when they need to. Most sharks swim by moving their tails or caudal fins from side to side. Sharks have 2 fins on their backs that are called dorsal fins. These 2 fins keep sharks from tipping from side to side. Sharks also have side fins called pectoral fins that help lift them up as they swim. Some sharks are thought to swim 30 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car. Caudal fins, dorsal fins. Gills are inside gill slits. Pectoral fins. Breathing. Sharks don't have lungs. Instead, they have 5 to 7 pairs of gills on either side of their heads. Gills are little openings that filter the oxygen out of the water into the shark's body. Then the oxygen goes into the shark's bloodstream. That allows sharks to breathe underwater without having to go to the surface. Some sharks swim with their mouths open. This pushes the water back toward the gills. Scientists used to think that most sharks needed to keep moving through the water to get enough oxygen to breathe. But more than 30 years ago, a discovery changed their minds. Turn the page to learn what they found. Cave of the Sleeping Sharks. In 1969, a fisherman swimming off the coast of Mexico came upon an amazing sight, an underwater cave of tiger sharks that were not moving. The sharks seemed to be resting, but their eyes were open. Tiger sharks can be dangerous, but the fisherman was able to get close enough to pet them. Scientists found the cave had fresh water mixed in with salt water. Fresh water has more oxygen in it than salt water. They think that the extra oxygen helped the sharks breathe without swimming and perhaps made them calm.